Okay guys, today we are going to be making a solar system hat. The materials you're going to need is a piece of paper, some tape, glue, and then your cutout of the planets. So we are going to start with our paper, and this is going to be your hat. So if you could take your colored pencils and maybe color some of it black, because this is going to be like the outer space. You can color it black. Okay, after you're done coloring it black, you can add in some stars since it's outer space. So add in a couple stars. You can add them in anywhere, it doesn't really matter. Okay, after you add in the star, we're going to start with putting your sun on. So we know the sun is yellow, so go ahead and color your sun. And then we're going to label it. So you're just going to write sun. Okay, and then you are going to glue your sun on your hat at the left part. Okay, so the planet that is closest to the sun is Mercury. And we know that Mercury is kind of a grayish planet. So we're going to use gray color in Mercury. Okay, we're going to label it. Write Mercury. And then we're going to place it right beside the sun because it is the planet closest to the sun. Our next planet is Venus. And Venus is red and yellow. It's very, very hot. And it has volcanoes and hot rocks on the surface of it. So go ahead and color your planet red and then label Venus. Okay, and Venus is the second planet from the sun, so put it right beside Mercury. Alright, our next planet is Earth. And we know that Earth is made up of 70% water, and the rest is land. So you're going to color it blue and green to represent the land. You're going to label it. And Earth is the third planet from the sun. So you're going to put it right beside Venus. Okay, our next planet is Mars. And Mars has a little bit of a red tint, but it is mainly gray. So you're going to color it red and gray. And then you are going to label it Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. So you're going to put it right beside Earth. And kind of keep your planets close together since there's so many of them. Our next planet is Jupiter. And Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant. So we're going to color it red and yellow. And then we're going to label it Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun, so we're going to put it right beside Mars. Our next planet is Saturn. And Saturn has a little yellow tint to it, and it's gray. Saturn is also a gas giant, and it has rings that surround it. So we are going to label it Saturn. Okay, and we are going to put it right beside Jupiter because it is the 6th planet from the Sun. Our next planet is Uranus, and it has a blue tint. This planet also has rings around it. So you're going to color this one blue, and you are going to label it. This is the 7th planet from our Sun, so we're going to put it right here, right beside Saturn. And then the last planet is Neptune. Neptune is also blue. It's a tad bit darker blue than Uranus. And then we are going to label Neptune. Okay. And that is your last planet. Might have to move a couple of them down if you need to. All right, so this is your hat. So now you're going to take and get another piece of paper, and we are going to tape your hat depending on your head size. So you're going to take your other paper, lay it the back side, and I'll be around to help you with this. Then you're going to see how big of a space you need, and then you are going to tape them together. And then voila, your hat is finished. And if you want, you can color the back side black and put some stars on there. If you would like. So this is your finished product. It has all our planets in the solar system in order. So we have the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.